Anand Zanane now joins us for the latest from Raebareli. Anand, political blame game apart, just what is the plan of action that the UP government has chalked out to tackle with the situation?
Well, Divya, there are a series of measures that the UP government has taken. They've set up a toll-free helpline for farmers who are facing drought-like conditions in their areas, in their villages. And, also, they have said that various land revenues that are really recovered from these farmers and also irrigation taxes, the recoveries of those particular revenues and taxes has been suspended till 2010. But this farmers say is not enough because this will be eventually later on recovered from them once there is a better yield or a better harvest in the future. But I have some farmers with me and I'd like to just ask them, आप ये बताइए कि क्या कभी भी आपको लगता है कि राज्य सरकार ने इस समस्या को भांपने में देरी की, क्या उन्हें पहले ही सूखा घोषित कर देना चाहिए था?
ऐसा नहीं है सर, ऐसा है कि राज्य सरकार ने जब सूखा घोषित किया गया है उसमें कोई बात नहीं, सूखा तो कुदरती का देन है, इसलिए बस यह समय पर उसने सूखा घोषित करने की कोशिश की।
नहीं तो आपको लगता है कि ये जो उन्होंने कहा है कि जो भी आपसे कर वसूले जाएंगे उनको स्थगित किया जाता है 2010 तक, तो क्या वाकई में आप लोगों को इससे फायदा पहुंचेगा? क्या उससे मतलब आपको लगता है कि कोई निजात मिलेगी?
इससे फायदा नहीं पहुंचेगा और इससे हम लोग किसानों के लिए इकट्ठा हो जाएगा। जब सूखा में कुछ होगा नहीं तो हम लोग कहां से देंगे? इसका बस फायदा यही होगा कि ये अपना जड़ सहित इसको कर वसूली और सिंचाई इसको माफ कर दें। इसी से किसानों का लाभ होगा, हम जैसे गरीबों का, और इसके अलावा कोई कर स्थगित कर देने से कोई लाभ नहीं होगा इससे।
अगर आपने यहाँ पे बुआई कब तक चलेगी? इसकी धान की जो बुआई चल रही है वो कब तक चलेगी? अगर नहीं हुई पूरी तो फसल को कितना नुकसान पहुंचेगा?
अरे यही 10-15 टाइम खत्म, इसका 8-10 रोज और बचे बस।
So Divya, you heard this farmer telling us this. There's very little time in hand. He says that if rains don't come and if adequate irrigation mechanisms are not put in place, then this paddy crop in his piece of farmland could fail. So this is the kind of crisis that the farmers are really facing. But as you pointed out, politics raging over the issue. Digvijay Singh yesterday said that the demands made for certified seeds was unreasonable. Earlier, the demand put forth by the Mayawati government was only 800 quintals. And now they've raised it to about 25,000 quintals. So unreasonable demands trickling in from the state government, and at the same time also blame game from the centre that the state government is blowing the crisis out of proportion.
Anand, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So really unreasonable demands and the political blame game, but caught in the middle of all of this is the poor farmer who of course cannot, has no scope for this particular crop this year round. Well, the Centre for Monitoring Indian Economy in its monthly report has said that agricultural crop output will fall by 4.7% this year. Rice output is expected to fall by 8%. Cotton production expected to fall at 8.9%.
Tuba.com